How to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger. Here's how. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, look through your conversation and find the chat you would like to delete. Then press and hold the chat. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, click on Delete. After that, confirm your action by tapping Delete again. And that's it. Your selected conversation will be deleted. However, if you want to delete all of your messages at once, you can reach out to their support team and request it. Here's how. Tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right of the app. After that, click on Settings from the menu. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Report a Technical Problem. Once you are there, write your message in the box provided. Finally, hit Send to submit your request. And the Messenger support team will review your request and solve your problem. That's all. This is how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger.